Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us some four online side hustles that is going to change your story if you want to start a business, okay? And as we all know, we're approaching the season time, we are approaching the Halloween, Christmas, and New Year, where everyone needs some gifts, where everyone needs some packaging and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be giving us some step by step on how to go about these four side hustles. I call it the unique side hustles because if you start it, it's an everyday use, and definitely you're going to get buyers. And I've done my research on it, and it's what you can actually create and upload on your ST. You can create an account on ST and upload the product on ST, or you create a Shopify account, or you create a normal website, an e-commerce website to display your products, okay? And you're going to be making some money in 2024. You can start now and start the planning now, okay? So without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification, and leave your comment down there if you have any questions. And please watch this video to the end. Thank you. My number three side also is creating digital prints, like printable products, okay? And I'm going to be using calendar as my example, digital calendars. So let's go to ST and let me show you, because we're coming to the end of the year. You can create calendars for 2024 and you get your templates on Google. Just go to google.com and you search blank 2024 calendars and you upload it to Kittles. And when you upload it to Kittles, you design it the way you want it. I might not be showing us the procedure in this video. So you upload it into the Kittles and you design it yourself. You design it to your taste and you upload it on your ST shop. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some examples of how it is done on st.com and show you the usual breakdown of the revenue, and we move to the final one, which is number 4. Okay, thank you. I set for blank calendar for let me just look for 2024. Let me look for 2024. Okay, so I can choose any of these ones, like printable ones, as you can see. Like you can see, free 2024 blank calendars. Okay, and I can download it. I won't be going through all that in this video. Okay, so let's come to ST and we search for calendars. Calendars. Okay, and you can see this is a Google sheet. This is a calendar, a minimal printable calendar. Okay, and can you see 665 people wrote their reviews, and this person 1,700 people wrote their reviews, and like that, as you can see, they are making a lot of money with printables. Okay, and this is 2024. No, we are not dealing with planners here. We are not dealing with planners, calendars. So yearly calendars, 1,700 people wrote their reviews. Okay, so now let's come to this product and search for printables calendar. Printable calendar. As you can see, let's check this person. Can you see 3,569? Okay, that's the revenue. Then monthly revenue is $80. Okay, so now you can come to Kitty. we can come to Kitu and we can look for designs. Let's go come to template again. Then I can, let's see if I can see calendar. Well, it's poster. You can just create a poster and you create your calendar. You create your calendar on it, or you upload your calendar. Then when you upload your calendar, you now design it. Okay, my time is running. So now we'll go to the final side hustles. So my final side hustles is creating t-shirts, right? This particular side hustle, let me know if you want a full tutorials on this particular side hustles, okay? Selling of t-shirt is very lucrative. All you need to do is look for demand, okay? Platform, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, how to sell. You don't even need to, you don't bother about the delivery, you don't have any inventory. These people are just going to send it to your customers, and all you need to do is just create your beautiful design on your t-shirt and upload it into Printful. Yeah, it's called Printful. Upload it into Printful and you connect your Printful to either Shopify account or ST account, okay? And you start making your money. But make sure your designs are nice and beautiful, and you can do the product research, and you find ideas, or you can find your ideas on Pinterest, or you can find on st.com. Okay, so now without any further ado, let me show you the analysis of everything, and thank you for watching up to this moment. So as you can see, we have designs here. We have designs of t-shirts for ladies, and you can create something like this, the watercolor wild flower shirt, and just make it beautiful. Okay, you can see this person has 7,400 and 400 reviews, and as we go down, this person has 17,003K reviews. Okay, and as you can see, stronger than the storm, lovely motivational quotes and all that. So you're going to be using, let's check our product seeker. Okay, let's check our product seeker. So now let's see t-shirts, and let's see how much you can earn monthly. So let's check this out. Let's check this out. Okay, as you can see, monthly revenue $143, and the total revenue is 2,457. Okay, total sales so far is 189, right? So you come to Kitties and you create your design. You create your design here. Let's look. You can create words, you can write words on your t-shirts, but I just want to use a template because my time is going. If you want a full tutorials on how to make money with t-shirts, comment below t-shirts, then I'm going to do a full tutorials on it. Okay, so now I'm going to just change the color here. This is just an example. Okay, then this one will change the color. Yeah, let's make our color cool. Let's say black. Okay, so then I come here, I can change the color of this also to something nice, right? And can you see how it's coming out? Then this, um something like this. Then after you design, you can also change the font if you want. You can come, but I think everything is okay. I like this color. Then you can create a mock-up, or you can download this design. Okay, remove background if you want. You optimize it, and to sign up for this is just $10. To sign up for Kittles is just $10 per month. Okay, so use my link in the description. Then you come to this. After downloading it, you come to my Printful. Then this my Printful, you see some t-shirts, like some t-shirts here that you can upload your design on, and you can change the color here. The link for this Printful also is going to be in the description box. Okay, so I'm just going, then you create your design and all that. So I'm not going to be going into the full details. Enjoy these tutorials. We've come to the end of this topic for today, and I want to let you know that if you want me to do full tutorials, especially for the t-shirt, and let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do a full tutorials on it, and I hope you gain one or two things from these side hustles. Also, let me know in the comment section which of these side hustles are you willing to try. Let's make this money as we are approaching Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Halloween is coming. You can create t-shirts, you can create a lot of stuff for yourself so that you can start making money and have a store on ST. Okay, if you're not, if you don't have access to ST, you can create a website for yourself, or you can create an e-commerce website for yourself, or you create a Shopify account for yourself. If you need any help with your website development, website designing, I am a website designer also. So reach out to me, and I'm going to put you through in everything you want, everything to get started with your business in 2024. Okay, let's start planning for 2024 right now. Okay, so without any further ado, remember, do not be negative to yourself, do not be hard on yourself, and always push, be positive, keep going, and never give up. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.